Colorado is undergoing a monumental transformation, with construction projects of unprecedented scale and ambition rising across its cities, mountains, and plains. From vital infrastructure overhauls to futuristic developments and water security initiatives, 2025 marks a pivotal year in the state's journey toward a smarter, more sustainable future. Let's dive into some of the most impactful projects currently reshaping Colorado's landscape. Number 8. Chimney Hollow Reservoir. Chimney Hollow Reservoir, west of Loveland, is one of Colorado's largest water infrastructure projects. Built to support the Windy Gap Firming Project, it ensures reliable water storage for over a dozen towns. Unlike river-based reservoirs, it's an off-channel reservoir, minimizing ecological impact by diverting water from the Colorado River through existing infrastructure. The site underwent geological testing, vegetation clearing, and storm runoff channeling. Engineers replaced unstable soil with engineered fill to stabilize the dam's foundation. The Rockfill Embankment Dam features a watertight central clay core surrounded by sand, gravel, and rock layers to resist erosion and earthquakes, using on-site materials to reduce environmental impact. A reinforced concrete intake tower with adjustable inlets regulates water temperature and quality, while an outlet tunnel channels water through bedrock. A geomembrane lining limits seepage. Monitoring systems track pressure and movement. Environmental efforts include wetland restoration, fish passages, and slope stabilization. Number 7. Denver International Airport Expansion. Denver International Airport Expansion is a major upgrade to one of the nation's busiest airports, aimed at boosting capacity and modernizing infrastructure. Crews worked mostly overnight to avoid disrupting daily operations, coordinating closely with TSA and FAA. In the Great Hall, outdated check-in counters were removed, and systems like HVAC and plumbing were rerouted. Steel moment frames replaced concrete walls to create spacious, column-free zones with modern check-in and baggage areas. Prefabricated restrooms and ceiling panels sped up work and improved quality. Concourses A and B were expanded with deep foundations and steel superframes supporting wide-span, energy-efficient roofs and glass curtain walls. Dual jet bridges now serve more aircraft types. Inside, terrazzo floors and acoustic panels enhance durability and comfort. Sustainability measures include smart ventilation, daylight-based lighting, and material recycling. Engineers also use digital twin technology to create real-time building performance models for long-term monitoring. Number 6. Central 70 Project. Denver's Central 70 Project is rewriting how people move through the city. Spanning a crucial 10-mile stretch of Interstate 70, this $1.2 billion overhaul replaces the aging viaduct with a lowered highway corridor designed for safety, efficiency, and community reconnection. One of the first tasks was relocating utilities. No easy feat in a dense urban grid filled with aging, undocumented infrastructure. Crews rerouted water mains, sewer lines, gas, and electric conduits using trenchless methods to avoid surface disruption. After rerouting traffic, workers demolished the elevated structure and began excavating a deep trench for the new highway. Retaining walls with built-in drainage systems now flank this sunken road, preventing groundwater pressure buildup. A centerpiece of the project is a 4-acre park built atop the new highway near Swansea Elementary. This innovative green space, supported by a post-tensioned concrete deck, reconnects the historically divided Elyria-Swansea neighborhood. The corridor also boasts reconfigured interchanges, express toll lanes, and smart infrastructure, including traffic cameras and electronic signs. Stormwater systems, complete with pump stations and filtration units, ensure resilience during flash floods. Number 5. Future Legends Complex. In Windsor, the Future Legends Complex is setting a new standard for multi-sport facilities. Spanning dozens of acres, this campus includes pro-grade athletic fields, event spaces, lodging, and commercial amenities. Given the area's varied terrain, the first challenge was reshaping the land through mass earthwork using GPS-guided equipment. Drainage was key, with storm systems installed to keep fields playable year-round. At the heart of the complex is a professional stadium with synthetic turf adaptable for baseball and soccer. The layered turf system includes drainage blankets, shock pads, and perforated pipe systems to handle heavy rain. Around it, grass fields were constructed with precision-graded sand root zones and Kentucky bluegrass sod, ideal for Colorado's climate. Vertical construction includes training centers, locker rooms, and offices built with steel frames and tilled-up concrete panels, balancing speed, insulation, and open interior spaces. All lighting is LED based with sensors to conserve energy. energy. Supporting infrastructure includes smart irrigation, porous parking lots for stormwater control, and well-lit pedestrian walkways. Project phases were carefully timed around funding and seasonal constraints, requiring seamless coordination among multiple contractors and city inspectors. Number 4. Colorado Big Thompson Project. Spanning decades and mountain ranges, the Colorado Big Thompson Project is undergoing a massive overhaul to upgrade aging water infrastructure while keeping water flowing to Eastern Plains communities. At its heart lies the Alva B. Adams Tunnel, which carries water beneath the Continental Divide. The original concrete lining, damaged by decades of pressure and sediment, has been mapped with high-tech inspection robots. Damaged areas are repaired using hydrodemolition and fiber-reinforced shotcrete. Valves connecting to hydroelectric plants are being swapped for stainless steel, remotely operated replacements. In some cases, carbon fiber wraps and ground anchors are being used to stabilize pipelines and slopes. Earth-filled dams like those at Carter Lake and Horsetooth Reservoir have been evaluated for seismic risks. Remediation includes slope flattening, new filter drains, and spillway upgrades capable of handling extreme floods. Digitization is central to modernization. Analog monitoring systems have been replaced with digital sensors and telemetry nodes, feeding real-time data to central control rooms for predictive maintenance and disaster response. Canals and siphons have also been relined or replaced, with turnouts upgraded with automated gates. Every step is synchronized around seasonal irrigation schedules to ensure uninterrupted water delivery. Number 3. Gross Reservoir Expansion. West of Boulder, the Gross Reservoir expansion is redefining dam construction in mountainous terrain. The goal, nearly double the reservoir's storage capacity by raising the dam using roller compacted concrete. After inspecting the dam and prepping the existing concrete surface, crews began placing thin roller compacted concrete layers, each under 1 foot thick, compacted with vibratory rollers. Construction occurs during cooler periods to control heat buildup and avoid cracking. The spillway was redesigned with a new chute and energy-dissipating basin, modeled using fluid dynamics to manage overflow during massive storms. The intake structure was also upgraded with taller gates and better filtration. Access roads were widened, reinforced, and equipped with sediment traps to support heavy equipment while minimizing environmental damage. Compliance measures include habitat restoration, fish protections, and constant water quality monitoring. New embedded instrumentation tracks pressure, seepage, and structural integrity in real time, feeding into Denver Water's central dam safety platform. Number 2. Denver Water Pipeline. Another essential yet unseen project is the Denver Water Pipeline, a massive underground system delivering treated water from reservoirs to households across the metro region. Before digging, crews use subsurface utility engineering to identify potential conflicts with existing lines. In tight areas, trenchless drilling and jack and bore techniques help install pipelines without disturbing roads or railways. In areas where trenches are possible, pipes made of ductile iron or steel are laid in short segments with carefully compacted bedding. Joints are either welded or gasketed, with integrity verified via ultrasonic testing. The pipeline includes pressure regulating features like air release valves and thrust blocks to manage elevation changes. Protective coatings prevent corrosion, while steel casings are used under roads and creeks to shield the pipeline from erosion and water flow. Before activation, every section undergoes pressure testing, chlorination, and flushing to meet health standards. Restoration of streets, sidewalks, and landscapes follows strict city specifications. Number 1. Eisenhower-Johnson Tunnel Rehab. Deep under the Continental Divide, the Eisenhower-Johnson tunnels are receiving their most extensive rehab since opening in the 70s and 90s. These vital conduits on Interstate 70 carry millions of vehicles annually and require upgrades to maintain performance under extreme alpine conditions. Inspections revealed damage to tunnel linings, particularly near entrances where water intrusion is worst. Crews removed compromised concrete and reinforced walls using advanced materials like corrosion-resistant rebar and carbon fiber. Mechanical systems were replaced at night to avoid lane closures. Jet fans were upgraded to provide better air quality and fire response. Fire systems were enhanced with new hydrants, emergency lighting, and thermal cameras. Drainage systems were revamped by replacing clogged underdrains with perforated piping and re-engineered catch basins, reducing ice risks in winter. Despite the challenges of altitude and tight schedules, this project ensures Colorado's mountain corridor remains safe and functional for decades to come. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Colorado's game-changing mega projects, don't forget to hit that like and make sure to subscribe. Drop a comment below. Which project amazed you the most? Or is there a mega build in your city we should cover next? Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and remember, the future is being built right now.